Hello, my name is Jarl, and today's word in the Norwegian language is skjønn. Uh, which also means gender. However, it's often used in the context of Vise, would be to show gender. However, that's not that's incorrect. It would be the correct semantic translation or interpretation, or a translation at least, but interpretation means something completely different. It means, for example, if you take utøve skjønn, it really means assessment. So, for example, you park your car at the cemetery. And just to visit a grave for about 10 minutes or so to drop off some flowers, and a parking warden strolls by and see your car, he will give you a ticket. Then you send in a complaint about the state of why you were there. Then they will make an assessment whether you should pay, whether you need to pay the fine or not. And if they decided to utøve skjønn, they decide that you should not pay the fee of fine because it would be unreasonable. So yeah, this word is essentially an assessment. You have a choice between enacting or not. And for example, forcing someone to pay a fine. But it also means gender. It has to do with expression and sexual characteristics and the stereotypes and whatever not. So yeah, but I just would have thought it would be interesting to just highlight this because this is not very obvious at the first glance. And I can guess that the Google Mob Translate and search has a high chance of missing the context. Anyways, I'm signing out.